Here's a common fault with the 350Z. You try and open the boot, you press the button, the boot pops up a bit, but not enough to open it. So you have to use both hands, hold the button down with one and lift with the other. Why is this? Well, the helper spring wears out over time. There's a quick fix, sometimes called the penny trick. This is where you put a coin or some washers inside the spring mechanism to try and compensate for it wearing out. But that didn't really work that consistently for me, and it scratches the paintwork on your car. You can order new springs from Nissan, but they'll charge you £105 for this. So what's the other option? Well, there's a website called OpenTop, and they'll sell you a pair of springs for just £45.20. And if you want to reuse your existing sleeve and washer, it's £36.50. To fit them is really easy. You simply twist off the old springs, then twist on the new ones. Now the boot opens first time, and you can open it with one hand again. So there you go, a quick fix that, makes a fair bit of difference. If you want to check out these springs yourself, I'll put the link to OpenTop in the description box. Thanks for watching.